So guys, today I'm gonna show you the hotel where we stayed here in Stone Town. It's called the Dow Palace Hotel. We're gonna start with the rooftop and you get a really nice view. Let me show you. Hi everyone and welcome to Zanzibar. Unfortunately it's raining a lot and that was not foreseen. We wanted to do a tour today and go to the market with a chef cook, buy some stuff at the market, some food and some spices, and then afterwards cook with the chef. But yeah, it's really raining a lot, so we are not going to do that. We are now at the House of Spices. We are drinking a tea and then afterwards we will just cook with the chef. So right now we are drinking a spiced tea, which is black tea mixed with a few different spices like cinnamon, ginger and cardamom. That's what they drink here in Zanzibar and it's pretty good. As you can see, my t-shirt was soaking wet and it rained so much that even my Sony camera died and I had to use my DJI Osmo Pocket. So from now on we used only one little camera, so the quality of the video will not be as good as shot with the Sony.
This is our recipe. All we prepare for menu today. All the menu based on Swahili food. Yeah, this is Swahili food. Zanzibar food, we say. This wall cumin. Same with this one. This powder. This is wall and cardamom. Wall. This one.
So that's it, we finished our cooking class. We have everything here on table. So as you can see, it looks delicious. And we're gonna try out everything and together with a good Kilimanjaro beer. We did a little tour through the fresh food market and we tried some delicious fruits, but then we went to the fish market and it was a little bit disgusting. As you can see, people put their feet on the table right next to the fish, and then you also see the water of the shrimp, which was dark brown. It was not clean. It was a little bit disgusting.